Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DS Lite. White variant natin. So, our stylus nasa likod po. Then, on lang natin yung unit. Now, this order is going to Pasig City, Metro Manila. Pakita ko lang din yung charging ng ating DS Lite unit. So, once you plug in your charger, just beside this green light, magkakaroon po tayo ng orange light. Unang first siya. Yeah. So, this indicates that our unit is charging. And then, yung buttons naman natin, kita ko lang din. So, our LR button, yung ating ABXY, directional buttons, and our select start, and touchscreen. Now, aside from your games, we have installed here a few other games para ma-fully maximize po natin yung memory capacity niya. Yung mga games po pala ninyo, nilagay namin siya sa separate folder para madali po ninyo siya makita. So, you just need to open yung game request folder natin. Andito yung mga Pokemon games that you requested, Animal Crossing, Mario, Final Fantasy, Kirby, and marami pang iba. But of course, if you would like to check other games, open nyo lang yung ating DS Games folder. Because for your package po, this has over 300 to around 400 plus games na naka-install. So, marami na rin po ba yung mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. So, nandito yung mga Contra games natin. Ayan. Polo Justice, yung mga Naruto, Dragon Ball, Lego, and marami pa pong iba. Yeah. So, open tayo ng isa sa mga game request ninyo, which is one of the Pokemon games. Now, I'll be also sending separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. So, okay na rin po yung inyong order. Ipapack na lang din namin ito, then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!